I can cut you.
I'm gonna cut you. Swing. Adriel, show me your lightsaber.
He looks a lot like Joey.
Right?
I'm not Joey.
Who are you?
The boy.
What's your name?
I'm Gito.
Quito or a
What's your
Poopy head?
What's your name?
What's your name?
Poopy.
No, what's your name? A
So,
Adriel what?
Tia.
Molina, the
Champion of the world.
the chariot of the world, because you're the greatest.
He's funny. Do the lightsaber. How you
I
do it?
like this.
How about your sword? Show me your sword.
Sing off.
See your face.
Not talking to my face.
Stop talking to my face.
No.
What did he say?
You need to punch me in my head.
Pop your head.
I'll pop your head. What?
Pop your head.
Here, pop my head.
You crazy.
Pop your head. Punch your head.
I'm scared.
That's not nice, Adriel. Be nice.
I don't want to be nice.
Oh yeah? Well then, we're not gonna be your friend.
Yeah.
Fine.
He's in character.
Keisha, tell him you're not his
I'm
friend.
not your friend, Angel.
Yeah.
No, I'm not your friend. You're
Yeah.
mean to
Hey, be nice.
me. You're mean.
Freshie.
I don't want you here. No more Tilly's room.
No, you can't play in Tilly's room now.
No
We're
more
gonna go
Tilly's
home.
room.
Because this is her house and you can't be mean to her in her house.
Yep. No more Tilly's room. No more toys. No more TV.
That's it, your cup. She's not your friend no more. Oh yeah?
I'm gonna tell Mikey
So
not
let's
to
go
be your
home.
friend, too.
What are you eating?
Ice cream.
Ah, ew.
You ate ice cream?
Ew, that's disgusting.
You're disgusting.
You cussy poopy head.
What? You're a disgusting poopy head.
You cussy poopy head.
Crusty poopy head?
I'm not your friend.
Fine, I'm not your friend.